Share the vice.
You don't know Chef Reid
And Chef Alexander here.
tell you with our next epic video, guys. Epic, EPIC. So you want to know for me. Like the video, share the video.
Drop some banger comments down below. Run over to King and Alice. Subscribe, share out the video. Them.
Bang, bang, boom.
We're out.
Talk to me, huh?
Pre-out the intro.
So far.
So forward. Welcome back, guys. So from you see by the title, you know what we'll be doing today. Yes, guys, a pan-seared chicken, but today we have the thigh. We must say thank you for the love and support that we've been getting. Thank you, thank you, thank you. On the road to 1K, guys, so please share the video, like, and spam up the comment section. So let us get straight into it. We have our onion and garlic powder mixture, salt and pepper, and our chicken thigh.
Yeah, guys, as you see, start of the show though. Normally would I use a breast to do this. People prefer breast, but I use a thigh today. And remember to season from high so it's evenly spread, so we sprinkling a little salt
and pepper. Yes, guys, remember in everything you do you must have flavor and
onion
taste.
And garlic powder mixture. Massage it in gently, and this is a skin on pan-seared chicken thigh, to be precise. Now we give this a rotate.
Yes, guys, turn him over, and guys, our chicken has already been cleaned and washed. Yes, guys, so sometimes you guys might wonder, did they clean the meat? Did they wash the meat? Yes, we did. It was already cleaned and washed.
Ready? So I'm gonna see what I go on, right? So we're gonna make it rest for about 2 minutes and then
30 minutes, guys. 20 to 30 minutes or overnight, depending on the amount of time you
but
have.
We're gonna do it now, guys. We're not getting a long time because I don't know people waiting on this.
Yes, guys. So that's why we say overnight. So soon forward. Yes, guys. So we have our oil eating up at the right temperature. So we're just gonna place our chicken thigh, and remember, skin side down, lay away. Look at that, guys. Look at that, beautiful, right?
So we're gonna make this sear on each side for 5 to 8 minutes. And it's a thick chicken thigh, so it takes a longer while to cook. So
yes, guys.
sometimes we go about 10 minutes on each side,
depending on how fast this cook, right? So we'll catch you guys back when we're giving this a turn. So forward. Yes, guys, so we've reached that 5-minute mark, so we're just gonna add our scallion bouquet garnish, beautiful, right? And our garlic. Yes, guys, get that nice and aromatic. So you know we have 2 more minutes and we can give this a turn, guys. The aroma from this is a perfume for the kitchen. Soon come.
soon forward.
Yes, guys, so we're gonna give this a turn. Look at that, man. Beautiful, right? Beautiful.
And now, guys, so we're gonna sprinkle a little dash of rosemary.
Dry rosemary. Get that aromatic, guys. If you've never tried cooking with rosemary before, please give it a try. It has good flavor.
Tell me what you think in the comment section. Spam it up, guys. As I tell you, on the road to 1K, so get us there.
So forward.
So forward.
Yes, guys, so we're just gonna add some garlic butter. Get all of that flavor up in there, guys. And right now you can just have your flame on low, guys, to help that meat absorb all that flavor, right? You can turn your garlic. And guys, you don't have to throw away this garlic, you know. You can just mash it with that butter, and you
gosh.
get that garlic butter. You see that, guys? Look at that. Beautiful, right?
So I'm gonna give this 3 more minutes, guys. And then we know what I want. Removal time.
Yes,
You
guys.
don't want to wait. You drink, I get a special. If you smoke, I get what you like. And sit down right on the TV, the laptop, or the phone, and go on with a vibe.
We're so forward. Yes, guys. Ready, I'm ready, you know. And can I tell you, the aroma from this smells so good. So we're just gonna place this on a plate. Yes, guys, place it on a plate and add some more of that garlic butter. Guys, it's when you finish with this, it's gonna be juicy. Everything about it is gonna be great. Just remember, I told you.
Let it rest for an extra 2 minutes, guys.
Yes, guys, and then you don't know.
All this flavor.
Yeah. You don't know what's gonna happen next. So you're gonna jump on with the banger. Plating was so forward. Yes, guys. So from you see the plate, you don't know at the time for the banger plating. So start dropping those comments. Cut that, guys. Beautiful, right? Hey guys, this look really good. Look at that, man. Looks really nice, right? Let us know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Oh my god, guys, this looks really good. Look at that. Such a beauty, right? Let me give you guys a rotation. Looks so good, right? Guys, you just eat this and enjoy your day. Look at that. Look at that. And guys, remember, can send us pictures in our Instagram. Let us see. A lot of you guys in the comment section are saying that you're learning, but you guys aren't sending us the pictures and you're not following us. So ensure that you're doing that so we can be able to see what you've learned, right? And remember, you can check out our couples channel. That's King and Ali. Go over there and enjoy us on a different level. That's beautiful.
Look at that.
Look at that, guys.
Tell me what you think in the comment section.
Beautiful.
Make sure you not spam it. The Sunday are epic.
Beautiful, guys. So we've come to the end of this video. Remember, follow us on our socials, like up the video, spam that comment section. Until next time, bye foodies.
Bang, bang, boom.